Good morning, students. Today we will revise chapter 1 as there will be weekly test of computer. Okay, student. So, first one is what is computer? Student, computer is an electronic device means it works on electricity. So, computer is an electronic device that accepts input from the input devices, process the input and produce the output. So input function is done by the input devices, then processing is done by the CPU and the output is generated by the output devices. Now the point is, how does a computer work? So student, remember, computer works on IPO cycle. Computer works on IPO cycle. IPO, I for input, P for process and O for output. Now the student, input. How computer accepts input? Usually computer, there are many types of input devices available in the computer system. Okay, input devices are used to give input to the computer, like keyboard, mouse, scanner. Okay, now keyboard, students, using keyboard you can give input to the computer. So on the keyboard there are many types of keys are available. Okay, using keyboard the computer accepts input, means you can type any character, any number, any function, means many types of keys are available on the computer keyboard. So from there computer takes input. Okay, now the second input device is our mouse. Student, you know mouse is a pointing device. Okay, and it is used to select and is used to point and it is used to draw picture on the computer. Okay, so this is the mouse, pointing device. Third one is scanner. Usually scanner, it is used to read information printed on a paper, means using a scanner you can read any paper and make it available on your desktop screen. So this is the scanner. So student, once the input is given to the processing unit by the user by using these three devices, the next function of cycle is process. So student, process is done by the CPU, that is central processing unit. Okay student, now CPU, what does CPU do? So CPU takes input. First step was input. CPU takes input from the input devices and then it process. What does the CPU do? It processes the data entered by the user and generate the meaningful information. Means input devices आपके क्या देते हैं बेटा? डेटा, एंड इस डेटा को कौन प्रोसेस करता है? CPU. एंड देन आपका एक मीनिंगफुल इंफॉर्मेशन बनती है, that is known as output. Meaningful information is known as output. Okay, so CPU. So basically there are three operations of CPU. One is ALU, second one is CU, and third one is MU. ALU is the arithmetic and logic unit. Arithmetic and logic unit means, arithmetic means here some addition, subtraction, multiplication, these types of functions are performed. And logic means the comparison operator, like suppose you want to add 2 plus 3. So this will be generated, the result will be 5. And you want to compare 2 is greater than 3. So it is false statement, student, means comparison, addition, these types of functions are performed by the ALU. Now control unit. Control unit, it coordinates between all the parts of the CPU. What does the control unit do? Means it establishes the coordination between all parts of CPU. Means किस टाइम पे हमारा कौन सा पार्ट वर्क करना है, ये सारा वर्क किसका रहता है? CPU, control unit. Then is MU, memory unit. Student, when you give, suppose you are giving 2 and 3 with the help of keyboard, then it will save in memory unit. CPU will take from the memory. ये कहाँ चला गया आपका? अभी मेमोरी में, मेमोरी में सेव हुआ. CPU इसको यहाँ से लेगा मेमोरी से, और फिर उसके बाद जब आउटपुट बनाएगा 5, तो ये जाके वापस कहाँ चला जाएगा? मेमोरी में. मीन्स मेमोरी यूनिट, it is used to store data and the instruction given to the computer. Okay, so these three are the functions of the process unit: ALU, CU and MU. So next, third one is output. Student, when the CPU process the data, okay, then output is generated. Means the processed information is known as output. Means the data which is processed by the CPU is known as the output. Means is known as the information. So there are also some types of output devices like monitor, printer and the speakers. Okay, monitor, printer and speakers. Okay, now see monitor. Monitor, what does the monitor do? It displays the information on the screen. Means, okay, then printer, it prints the result generated by the after the processing. Means the result which is displayed on the monitor, you can take it on a page, on a paper. Means you can take it in a hard copy form. Here the information is in soft copy form, okay, and here it is in hard copy form. So printer is used to take printout on a paper. And speaker, it is used to listen music. And okay, now see, this is the IPO cycle. Now let's understand this. Here input, what is input? Number 3, 6 and plus. These three instructions you gave to the CPU with the help of keyboard. Okay, now look here, process. What does the CPU do? Now see, so here what does the CPU do? 3 with the plus sign, addition, then 6. Means CPU will add these three instructions, 3 plus 6. Okay, so CPU, okay, processing is done by the CPU. Then the result of the processed data is 3 plus 6 is 9. So here the result is 9, which is display on the monitor screen. Means this is the output. So this is the main function of the IPO cycle: input, process, output cycle. So student, remember there is one more point is storage. Storage means when you give input to the computer, it means it will save anywhere in the computer system. And when you generate the result output, it means it will again will save somewhere in the computer system. So these devices are known as storage devices. So student, there are many types of storage devices. Some of them I am pointing here: hard disk, CD and DVD, and pen drive. Okay, student, these all are used as a storage devices. Okay. Now, the features of a computer. There are some properties, some characteristics of the computer. One is speed. Students, computer works very fast, at a very fast speed. Means computer can perform many problems in a few seconds. Means million of instructions can be processed by the computer in a few seconds. Means speed of computer is very फास्ट एज वी कंपेयर विद द ह्यूमन बीइंग. अगर किसी से कंपेयर करते हैं तो कंप्यूटर की स्पीड ह्यूमन बीइंग से फास्ट होती है. एक्यूरेसी, कंप्यूटर ऑलवेज जनरेट एक्यूरेट रिजल्ट. कंप्यूटर हमेशा करेक्ट रिजल्ट जनरेट करता है. डिलीजेंस मीन्स कंप्यूटर नेवर गेट टायर्ड और नेवर गेट बोर्ड. ओके. देन मेमोरी, कंप्यूटर स्टोर्स लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ डेटा इन इट्स मेमोरी. And multitasking means computer can perform many type of tasks. Means same time you can watch movie, you can do your work. Means many types of work can be performed. You can make drawing by the computer. Okay. Now the next topic is types of computer. So student, remember, there are 4 types of computer. One is micro, then mini computer, then mainframe computer, and 4th one is supercomputer. Okay, student. Now, beta, remember, the computer we are using these days comes in the category of microcomputer. Means in the microcomputer there are desktop computer, laptop computer, tablet computer, and the smartphone. And so student, look, these 4 types of computer we can categorize these according to their size, their power, their strength. Okay. Now, in the microcomputer category, you see the small computer that can be easily put on the desk, on any table, can be easily put on your laptop. Tablet can be easily put on your hand. Means you can easily carry the tablet. And smartphone, you are also familiar with the smartphone. So these comes into the microcomputers category. Now the mini computer, the size of mini computer is bigger than the micro, but the smaller than the mainframe computer. So mini computers can serve many users at the same time. Means basically it works in any branch of any company. Okay, means in the main branch of any company where many other computers are attached with the mini computers. Okay. Now the third one is mainframe computer. These are very large in size and the speed of the mainframe computer is very fast. These also work like in bank, in railway. Okay, these are the mainframe computer. They require much large, actually they are very big in size, so they require much large space. Okay. Now the supercomputer, these are largest and fastest at all. Means अगर आप if you see here, supercomputer are the fastest computer. Okay. means they give very fast result. Okay, means they are used in like for the weather forecasting, like this. Okay, and you know student, Param is the fastest super computer. Okay student, that is developed in the India. Okay, now the student, you do revise the chapter 1 at